You know what to say in English, but when the moment comes, nothing comes out. Your voice disappears. Your confidence disappears. You feel embarrassed. You feel small. Warmly, does this sound familiar? The problem is not your English. The problem is practice. Real speaking practice. Today I will show you the most powerful method. It is free. It is private. It works every time. It is called the mirror method. By the end of this episode, you will know how to practice speaking alone. You will know how to ask and answer yourself. You will feel more confident every single day. My name is Robin. Welcome to Easy English, English for Beginners. Warmly, let's begin. Together, before we practice, I want to explain something. Why does talking to a mirror help your English? When you speak to a mirror, you see yourself. You watch your face, your mouth, your expressions. You hear your own voice clearly, and your brain starts to believe it. It believes, I am an English speaker. Warmly, say this with me right now. I am an English speaker. Again, look at yourself. Say it again. I am an English speaker. The mirror does something very special. It removes fear. It removes judgment. No one is watching. No one will laugh. It is just you, and you are safe. Many famous people use this method. Actors, leaders, speakers, teachers. They all practice in front of a mirror. And now it is your turn. The mirror is my safest practice partner. I speak, I listen, I improve. Every day in the mirror makes me stronger. Warmly, now let us begin the mirror practice. Are you ready? In this episode, I will play two roles. I am Robin. I stand in front of my mirror. I ask myself questions. Then I answer them. Robin speaks to mirror, blue text. Mirror answers back, purple text. This is Robin's confident inner voice. You will watch and listen first. Then you will repeat the sentences after me. Then you will try the whole conversation yourself. Stand up if you can. Find a mirror if you can. Or just imagine a mirror in front of you. Speak out loud. Not in your head. Your voice needs exercise. Your mouth needs practice. Warmly, you are safe here. No judgment. No rush. Now, let the mirror practice begin. Mirror session 1. Good morning. Who are you? Robin stands in front of mirror. He takes a slow breath. He smiles at himself. Robin. Good morning. Mirror. Good morning, Robin. Robin, how are you today? Mirror. I am good. I am ready to practice. Robin, are you sure? Do you feel confident? Mirror. Not yet, but I will. That is why I am here. Warmly, now you say these lines. Look at yourself. Speak slowly. Good morning. I am good. I am ready to practice. I will feel confident. That is why I am here. Mirror session 2. Tell me about yourself. Robin looks at himself in the mirror. He asks the most common English question. Robin, so, tell me about yourself. Mirror, my name is Robin. Robin, how old are you, Robin? Mirror, I am 25 years old. Robin, where are you from? Mirror, I am from Pakistan. I live in Lahore. Robin, what do you do? Mirror, I am a student. I am learning English. Robin, why are you learning English? Mirror, because I want to speak confidently. I want a better future. Robin, that is a good reason. I believe in you. Mirror, thank you. I believe in myself too. Warmly, now try this yourself. Change the details to your life. Use your own name, age, city, and reason. Speak to your mirror. My name is underscore, 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 underscore. I am underscore, 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 underscore years old. I am from underscore, 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 underscore. I live in underscore, 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 underscore. I am learning English because underscore, 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 underscore. I believe in myself. Vocab. Confident equals feeling sure and strong about yourself. Vocab. Future equals a time that is coming, tomorrow, next year, later in life. Mirror session to recap. You learn to introduce yourself to your mirror. You asked questions. You answered honestly. You ended with, I believe in myself. Now let us go deeper. Let us talk about your day. Mirror session 3. What did you do today? Robin checks in with himself at the end of the morning. Robin, what did you do this morning? Mirror, I woke up at 7 o'clock. Robin, then what? Mirror, I brushed my teeth. I washed my face. Robin, did you have breakfast? Mirror, yes. I had tea and toast. Robin, how do you feel right now? Mirror, I feel a little tired, but I am okay. Robin, good. Are you ready for the day? Mirror, yes, I am ready. Let us do this. Warmly, now your turn. Answer these questions about your morning. I woke up at underscore, 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 underscore this morning. I brushed my teeth and washed my face. I had underscore, 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 underscore for breakfast. I feel underscore, 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 underscore right now. I am ready for the day. I woke up at 7 this morning. I feel a little tired, but I am okay. I am ready. Let us do this. Vocab. Woke up equals stop sleeping and open your eyes. Vocab. Toast equals bread cooked until warm and slightly brown. Mirror session 4. How do you really feel? Robin looks deeply at himself. He asks the honest questions. Robin, how do you really feel about your English? Mirror, honestly? I feel nervous sometimes. Robin, why do you feel nervous? Mirror, because I am afraid of making mistakes. Robin, is making mistakes bad? Mirror, no. Mistakes help me learn. Robin, say that again. Louder. Mirror, mistakes help me learn. Robin, do you believe that? Mirror, I am starting to believe it. Yes. Robin, good. That is enough for today. Warmly, now you have this conversation with yourself. I feel nervous sometimes. That is okay. I am afraid of making mistakes. But mistakes help me learn. I am starting to believe in myself. That is enough. That is more than enough. Vocab. Nervous equals a little scared or worried, shaky feeling inside. Vocab. Mistake equals something you did wrong, but it helps you learn. Mirror session 4 recap. You practice talking about your real feelings. You said, mistakes help me learn. You said, I believe in myself. These are the most powerful sentences in English learning. Mirror session 5. What is hard for you? Robin is honest with himself. He talks about his challenges. Robin, what is the hardest thing about English for you? Mirror, speaking in front of other people. Robin, why is it hard? Mirror, I forget words. I get confused. I feel embarrassed. Robin, but are you practicing? Mirror, yes, Every day I practice. Robin, then you are already better than yesterday. Mirror, am I? Robin, yes. Every practice session counts. Mirror, okay, I will keep going. Robin, good. I am proud of you. Mirror, thank you. I needed to hear that. Warmly, try this yourself. Be honest. Be kind to yourself. The hardest thing for me is underscore, but I am practicing every day. I am better than yesterday. Every practice session counts. I am proud of myself. Every practice session counts. I am better than yesterday. I am proud of myself. I will keep going. Vocab. Embarrassed equals feeling uncomfortable when you think others are judging you. Vocab. Counts equals is important and has value. Mirror session 6. What are your goals? Robin talks to himself about his English goals. Robin, what do you want to achieve in English? Mirror, I want to speak without hesitation. Robin, what else? Mirror, I want to understand English movies and songs. Robin, that is a good goal. When do you want to reach it? Mirror, in 6 months. If I practice every day. Robin, that is possible. Do you believe it? Mirror, yes, I believe it. Robin, then say it clearly. Mirror, in 6 months I will speak English confidently. Robin, say it again. Mirror, in 6 months I will speak English confidently. Robin, I believe you. Mirror, I believe myself. Warmly. Now say your goal out loud to your mirror. I want to speak English without hesitation. I want to understand English clearly. I will practice every single day. In months, I will speak confidently. I believe myself. Vocab. Hesitation equals stopping or pausing because you're not sure. Vocab. Achieve equals to reach a goal, to do what you planned. Vocab. Goal equals something you want to do or become. Mirror session 7. The final confidence check. Robin's final moment with his mirror. His most powerful conversation. Robin, one last question. Mirror, yes? Robin, can you speak English? Mirror, I am learning. Every day. Robin, is that enough? Mirror, yes. Learning every day is enough. Robin, are you going to stop? Mirror, no, I will not stop. Robin, even when it is hard. Mirror, even when it is hard. Robin, even when you feel tired. Mirror, even when I feel tired. Robin, why? Mirror, because I deserve to speak English. Robin, say that one more time. Mirror, I deserve to speak English. Robin, I am proud of you, Robin. Mirror, thank you. I am proud of me too. Now say these final sentences to your mirror. Slowly, clearly, believe every word. I am learning English. Every day. I will not stop. Even when it is hard, I deserve to speak English. I am proud of myself. I will not stop. Even when it is hard, I deserve to speak English. I am proud of myself. Vocab. Deserve equals to be worthy of something good. You have the right to have it. You have practiced so much today. Let us review the most powerful sentences. Say each one out loud. To your mirror. Introduction. My name is _________. I am from _________. I am learning English because __________. Feelings. I feel nervous sometimes. That is okay. Mistakes help me learn. Challenges. The hardest thing for me is underscore, 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 underscore. But I practice every day. Goals. I want to speak without hesitation. In underscore, 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 underscore months, I will speak confidently. Confidence. I deserve to speak English. I am proud of myself. Now, one final full shadow practice with me. I am an English speaker. I practice every day, in front of my mirror. Mistakes help me learn and grow. I deserve to speak English confidently. I am proud of myself, every single day. Warmly, your homework tonight, just one small thing. Stand in front of your mirror. Ask yourself, how are you today? And answer yourself, in English, out loud, just 2 minutes. That is your homework. Warmly. You are not the same person who pressed play today. You have a new tool now, the mirror method. Use it every single day. Warmly, before you go, I want to say something. The mirror never judges you. The mirror only shows you who you are and who you are becoming. Every morning, 2 minutes. Stand, look, speak, believe. That is the mirror method. Warmly, I am proud of you. Truly, share this with one friend who needs confidence. Subscribe to Easy English, English for Beginners. New episodes every week. Just for you. Warmly, take care, my friend. Keep speaking. Keep believing. Keep growing. Bye-bye.